Welcome back to TechVibes. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your OnePlus Smart TV step by step. First, make sure your OnePlus Smart TV is powered on and the remote is working properly. Grab the remote of your OnePlus Smart TV and press the home button. On your OnePlus Smart TV screen, move to the settings icon using the remote. Select settings on your OnePlus Smart TV and open the full menu. Scroll down the settings list on your OnePlus Smart TV to find device preferences. Highlight device preferences on your OnePlus Smart TV and press OK. Inside device preferences on your OnePlus Smart TV, scroll down to the reset option. Select reset on your OnePlus Smart TV to open the reset submenu. Your OnePlus Smart TV will now show two reset choices. Select factory reset. Confirm the factory reset option on your OnePlus Smart TV by pressing OK. Your OnePlus Smart TV may ask to enter a PIN. Enter 0000 if you never changed it. Once entered, confirm again to start wiping data on your OnePlus Smart TV. The OnePlus Smart TV will now begin the factory reset process. You'll see the OnePlus Smart TV restart automatically during this process. Wait patiently as your OnePlus Smart TV clears all data and restores defaults. When complete, the OnePlus Smart TV will show the initial startup screen. If you cannot access the menu, unplug your OnePlus Smart TV from the wall. Leave your OnePlus Smart TV unplugged for about 60 seconds. Plug the power cable firmly back into your OnePlus Smart TV. Turn on your OnePlus Smart TV using the remote or power button. If the OnePlus Smart TV still freezes, locate the physical buttons on the TV. Press and hold the volume down button on your OnePlus Smart TV. While holding volume down, press and hold the power button on your OnePlus Smart TV. Keep holding both buttons until the OnePlus Smart TV logo appears. Release both buttons when your OnePlus Smart TV enters recovery mode. Use the volume buttons on your OnePlus Smart TV to scroll in recovery mode. Highlight. Wipe data/factory reset. On your OnePlus Smart TV. Press the power button on your OnePlus Smart TV to select the option. Choose Factory Data Reset to confirm wiping your OnePlus Smart TV. The OnePlus Smart TV will begin erasing all stored data. Once done, select Reboot System Now. On your OnePlus Smart TV. The OnePlus Smart TV will restart normally with default settings. If the remote doesn't respond, replace the batteries for your OnePlus Smart TV remote. Try pairing the remote again with your OnePlus Smart TV if needed. Make sure no HDMI device is causing interference with your OnePlus Smart TV. Remove all HDMI cables from the OnePlus Smart TV and restart it. Add the HDMI cables back one by one to the OnePlus Smart TV after reboot. Check that the power cable is seated tightly on your OnePlus Smart TV. Inspect the wall socket to ensure it is giving proper power to your OnePlus Smart TV. Try plugging your OnePlus Smart TV into another power outlet. Make sure the power button panel is not stuck on your OnePlus Smart TV. Wipe dust from all ports and buttons on your OnePlus Smart TV using a dry cloth. Keep the ventilation area of your OnePlus Smart TV clear during reset. Avoid switching off the OnePlus Smart TV while it is factory resetting. Once the setup screen loads, begin configuring your OnePlus Smart TV again. Connect Wi-Fi and sign into Google to activate your OnePlus Smart TV. Install necessary apps again on your OnePlus Smart TV after reset. Your OnePlus Smart TV should now work smoothly without previous issues. Thanks for watching TechVibes and learning how to factory reset your OnePlus Smart TV.